Video record. Good, very early morning. Um, I just have to catalog this so y'all don't think I'm crazy. I know I'm crazy, but not that kind of crazy. Tommy got me this lighter for Valentine's Day. It says, uh, "This girl doesn't retreat; she reloads." And I don't know if I know how to do this, so I thought I'd do it. I don't know, this way. And it woke Tommy out of a dead sleep, and I did not mean to, so please don't anybody shoot me. Hang on. Okay, this is what I did, and it woke him up. So, I'm sorry. Honey, can I please eat my chocolate for my Valentine's Day? Okay, hang on.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Get back. Move it. Get back.
Lock and load.
Get back.
Where is
There's more left of this. There's more left of this. Quit. Come on, woman.
And that was light years away. There's light years away. Light years away.
Hey.
There's light years away.
Pull it together.
There's light years away.
What are you thinking about? Pull it
Oh
together.
my goodness gracious.
Come on. Come on. Back off. Back off. Back off.
Oh,
Come on.
they felt different. I just,
Come on.
not that I might not know how to.
Come back.
Oh, you see, I was
Come back.
I pull it. That was light years away. Light years away.
Get your ass
Light
back here
years
now.
away. There's light years away. There's light years away.
Now.
Anyway, I've been working on this story about this woman that I know has been done over to death, where this woman is like stranded on like another planet, but she keeps like dreaming about a place in Arkansas. Or somebody else pointed this out to me. Maybe she's from another planet and she's stranded in Arkansas. I'm like, oh great, now I got to think about this. So anyway, y'all just, well, anybody that knows me knows I'm goofy, and I'm so sorry I woke up my man. Like waking up going, where, what? I'm like, you watch Halo all night long and my stuff wakes you up. That's fucking hilarious. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. I try not to wake up the old man no more. I try not to wake up the old man. No more. No more.